Buying a property, don't just sign the contract, understand it. Here's how to read a real estate contract without getting confused or misled. First, check the parties involved. Make sure your full name is correct and matches your ID, and that the seller is legally listed as the rightful owner of that property. You don't want to be misled at all. Secondly, review the property description. Confirm the plot size, location, and title details. Everything should match what was advertised or inspected to ensure that that property you went to inspect is the same as what you are seeing in the document given to you. Number three, look at the payment term. Is it a one-time payment or installment? Check for hidden charges, deadlines, and penalties for late payment, and also check if you'll be paid anything in case you demand for a refund. Then finally, read the dispute and termination clauses. Know what happens if things go wrong. Protect your rights from the start to avoid stories that such. Still unsure? Get a trusted real estate advisor or a lawyer to review it. Don't sign blindly, sign smart. Reach out to us today for all your real estate advice and tips. Follow us for more real estate insights. I remain your favorite realtor, Sandra Ajayi. Have a nice day. Bye.